Hi everyone, welcome to Aravilam. I'm Sabruddin. So in this video, we are going to learn. Next, we are going to see a value field settings. So this is the value field. So here we are going to do some changes. For example, here by default, as you can see, it is calculating sum. Whenever we place any number columns in values, it will by default calculate sum. And if you place any text column here, it will calculate count. For example, here I'm removing this. Instead of that, I'm going to put region here. Now you can see it shows region count. So what are the other calculation I can do? We can calculate only on the number columns. Okay, for example, we can calculate sum, and also we can calculate average, minimum, maximum, product. Okay, so how can I modify the calculations here? So you can click on this small arrow, go to value field settings. You will get this dialog box. In this dialog box here, you can see all these options. Okay, for example, if you want to calculate count or average or max, product, we have count numbers and standard deviation for sample, standard deviation for population, variance for the sample, variance for the population. So we have all these 11 calculation in the value field settings. Okay, for example, now I'm going to select average and click OK. Now you can see it shows average sales of these combination, that is item and rep combination. If you want to modify the number of decimals, we can modify it here. So this is how we can calculate value field settings.